Hello and welcome to an update for Ditto. This is Ditto 3.4.2, and I'm gonna go over a few updates that's in this Ditto version. So, the first update is blend styles. They're back. So, let me show you what blend style 0 is. Blend style 0 is volume. So you'll get volume. You'll have to be in this shading mode for viewport shading solid. When you go on render, you won't see anything. So 0, you won't see anything. When you go to 1, that's normal Ditto blending mode. So you'll get everything you have with the normal Ditto blending. And usually it will be at reduce 3, so it'll look like this. And you go one more, and you'll get what I called hard blending, which is your original object blending with Ditto's blending method. So if we go down to reduce 2, you see how it keeps and retains the original shape. That means if it has sharp edges or soft edges, it will retain those shapes. So, for instance, add a sphere. Just drag the spear up here. It will retain the spear shape. And we go back one. This is what it will look like without it. And if we reduce it again, this is what it will look like reduce. And then go back to 2. You can get all that blending and retain your original shape back. So this will speed up your workflow so you can grab things. Just select the spear over here, and you see how fast everything is. So you also notice that there is another color. This doesn't work as well in this version, but I decided to add back the second color. And you can play with it and color blur. So if you just move a bit, that should help change the color a little bit. And besides that, we have another mode. So if you don't know, you select the layers right here. So layer 1 corresponds with DL01. Layer 2 corresponds with whatever's in DL02. And if we go down here, we're in DL Fusion. So I put a warning here. Warning may cause slowdowns. So basically what Ditto Fusion is, when you're done with your model and you're ready to export it, it's going to fuse everything that is being shown together. So for better example, you can see the geometry, like there's different geometries all interacting with each other. And you may want to keep it like this. And I recommend saving before you Ditto Fusion. So when you're done with your model, save, then go over to DL Fusion and click the fusion switch. And you only want to click it once and just wait a little bit. And now you'll see that everything blended all together. And it's all one object. So then when you're done, you just go over here, go up here, click convert to mesh, and it will create a duplicate. And when you're done with that, go ahead and go back to original object, turn off fusion, just to save speed. Select your Ditto object, go to unlock all. That way you can move it around. And I want to show you the geometry. So as you can see, no inner geometry inside of it. We go back to the viewport shading. It retains this original look with all the original objects with the blending. So if you're wondering where that feature went, I accidentally forgot to plug it in. but it was still there. It's still there in the files. So I fixed that, and that's in the latest update, version 3.4.2, I believe. All right. So I hope you're enjoying Ditto, and I hope this helps you make more professional high-end models. And I'll leave it at that. Have a good day.